Welcome back. I'm so glad you're here. I have a delicious appetizer recipe for you today. It's from the 1975 New Pillsbury Family Cookbook. Now, this actually is a family cookbook. My mom was given this book as a gift for her bridal shower in 1978 before she married my dad. We have made a lot of recipes out of this cookbook over the years, and one of our favorites is what I'm going to make today: bacon wrapped water chestnuts. I am going to give you the original recipe today with a few notes from my mom along the way. Everything is ready? Let's get cooking. Let's make our bacon wrapped water chestnuts. We're going to make this appetizer in 2 steps. The first step is to take a 1/4 cup of soy sauce, a tablespoon of sugar, and 1 5-ounce can of water chestnuts, and they have to be drained, and we always cut them in half. We are first going to put the sugar into the soy sauce and stir that up till it dissolves. While I'm stirring, I also have a Ziplock bag here, and after this is stirred up, we're going to put the liquid and the water chestnuts into the bag, and they're going to marinate. The sugar and soy sauce are mixed together. I'm going to take my bag, put my water chestnuts in the bag. There we go. And pour the marinade over them. There's still just a little bit of sugar in the bottom, not all of it dissolved. Okay, we have our soy sauce and our water chestnuts in the bag with the sugar. If you want, you can just put the soy sauce and sugar in the bag, put the water chestnuts in, and then shake it up. That would work too. Now, a tip from my mom is that for this recipe, you can use light soy sauce, but definitely do not use low sodium bacon. We tried that once and it didn't work out as well. So use the regular bacon. I've zipped up the bag tightly. Now I'm going to lay this flat on my fridge shelf and let it marinate for about 30 minutes, and I'm going to flip it over halfway through just to make sure the marinade gets into the water chestnuts really well. We'll be back for the next step in a little bit. Our water chestnuts are done marinating and they are ready to be wrapped in the bacon. This is what they look like. I put them in this bowl to make them easier to work with. And here's our bacon. The recipe says you're supposed to use about 10 slices of bacon cut in half. I have cut these in half, but I have more bacon here than 10 slices. Sometimes it takes more. I just took out a pound of bacon, and whatever gets used for this, and then any leftovers will get used for something else. Bacon will never be wasted in this household. We love bacon. But before we wrap our chestnuts, the first thing you need to do is preheat the oven to 350 degrees. My oven is heating up right now. So let's get these bad boys wrapped. Take a piece of bacon and take one of the water chestnut halves. There, you can see that. Just roll it up like so. Just like that. Kind of see. Okay, take a toothpick and then put it through so that the bacon stays wrapped up just like that. And I'm going to put them on my foil-lined cookie sheet. Now the recipe states that you're supposed to arrange the appetizers on a broiler pan or on a rack in a shallow baking pan. But for decades, we've just used a foil-lined cookie sheet. And then if there's too much grease after they've been baked, you can always just put them on a plate with some paper towel just to soak up any of the grease or blot them off. But that works fine for us. That's just how we do it. Let's wrap another one here. Got a lovely piece of water chestnut. Lovely piece of bacon. Let's get wrapping. We gotta get these things done and in the oven because I am hungry. There's another one. Set it on the tray. Keep on wrapping till you're done. This is what our water chestnuts look like when they've been wrapped up in the bacon. We're going to pop this tray in the oven at 350 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes or until the bacon is crisp. Let's get our bacon baking. The bacon wrapped water chestnuts just came out of the oven. This is what they look like. They're still sizzling and they smell delicious. I can't wait to try them. I'm going to get them on a plate and then we'll have a taste. We're ready to try our bacon wrapped water chestnuts, and this is what they look like. They look beautiful, and I made up a nice little appetizer plate here, just like you would have at a party or event. Okay, let's give these a try. Okay, actually, I'm going to tease you just for a minute longer. This is what it looks like. You can see. And a certain family member was in the kitchen right after I pulled these out of the oven and was eating them right off the pan. And I kept hearing, oh, So I'm assuming they're really good. But I have not tried one yet. I'm going to do that now. Mm. Oh my gosh. These are so good. I think this is the best batch of these I have ever made. They're just phenomenal. The bacon is crispy and you get the saltiness of the bacon. And there's a little bit of sweetness from the sugar that was mixed in the marinade with the soy sauce. And the bacon just melts in your mouth. But then there's the fresh crispness from the water chestnut too. These are absolutely delicious. I definitely recommend making these at your next party or event. It doesn't matter what it is, if it's a birthday party or a holiday like Easter, or even just for Saturday night family game night. They are phenomenal. This has been a wonderful vintage recipe from the new Pillsbury Family Cookbook. I highly recommend making it. I know I'm definitely going to be making these again, and I hope I made enough this time because these are going quickly at my household. Thank you for watching this episode of Baking Book and History Nook. I love making these videos, and I hope you love watching them. Please like the video. Please subscribe to the channel. That would be fantastic. And also, I would love to hear what your favorite family recipes are. If you could just write a comment below, that would be great. Maybe one day I'll make one. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.